Are you one of those people who can do card tricks but doesn't know how to play any card games just like me? Or maybe you are one of those people who can't do card tricks and neither can't play any card games? Or maybe you are one of those people who can't do card tricks but can actually play card games but still want to stand out in front of your friends? Well, then this video is for you. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you a technique with which you can freak out your friends completely and they won't even complain later on that you are not good at playing any kind of card games. So I'm Sholazari and let's start our today's video. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow these simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue. Okay guys, here is a trick demonstration that I actually show to my friends when they criticize me that I can't play any card games, though I'm good at card handling. That makes me an absolute loser. So at that point I actually show them something which looks like this. I take out the 4 aces from the deck of cards. Actually I keep this 4 aces on the top so that it's easy for me while I'm performing this. So I take out the 4 aces and any 4 random cards from the deck of cards. So we have this 4 random and 4 aces. Now whoever going to get the 4 aces is going to win, right? Because this makes a poker hand, right? And this doesn't. So at this point what I do is I actually show to my friends that the easiest way of cheating is you stack these aces just like that and then do some false shuffles, which I'm not going to do because when you're actually playing card games you're playing with a full deck of cards. This is just 8 cards, so I'm not doing any kind of shuffles or any kind of false shuffles. But after doing a false shuffle the cards will be in the same order. So if I deal one card to you, it will be a random card and the next card will be an ace. So just like that you get all the random cards and I get an ace. So random and an ace. So I get all the aces and you get all the randoms, right? So all the aces are with me. Now the hardest way of cheating is when your partner or your friend knows that you're cheating and you have stacked it and they want the top 4 cards within which you're going to get the 2 aces. So let me show you. I'm going to stack these cards again. 1 ace, 1 card, 1 ace, 1 card, 1 ace, 1 card, 1 ace and 1 card. So we have this stacked just like that and they are going to take the top 4 cards so that they get the 2 aces, right? And none of us get a poker hand and none of us win, none of us cheat. So he's breaking the law by taking all the 4 cards from the top. Actual dealing should be like this. I'm going to deal 1 card to him, 1 card to me. So at this point, if he knows that I'm cheating, if he knows that the cards are stacked, I'm going to show him that the cards are stacked, but still he's not going to win. I'm going to show you clearly that I'm not cheating anywhere. I've stacked the cards, I've kept the cards same. So 1 random card and 1 ace, okay? 1 random card and 1 ace, 1 random card and 1 ace, 1 random card and 1 ace, right? So we have a random card and an ace. So within these 4 cards we have 4 aces. So total of 8 cards, among which in between each and every random card you have a ace. And that's when the spectator knows, or your friend or your partner knows, that you're cheating, and that's why he or she wants the top 4 cards so that they get 2 aces and you get 2 aces within these 4 cards, and none of us cheat, none of us can cheat. So at this point what happens is I tell them that even though that he or she has done that decision, he or she has taken that decision of taking the top 4 cards, he or she is not going to get any aces. They are going to get all the random cards and I'm going to get all the 4 aces and I'm going to win this every single time. So that's the reason I don't play card tricks, because I actually don't play card games, because I win every single game just like that. And for me it's very easy and it's going to mess up your entire game. And after listening to this they don't even tell me that I'm bad at playing card games, because I have a little bit of knowledge about poker hand and I can just use it by using some sleight of hand skills and giving them a huge demonstration they can't even forget in their life. So let's see how you can do this all by yourself. Okay guys, so doing this is very easy. Okay, it does not require a lot of skill. All you are doing is you're just stacking up, you're just giving a demonstration to your friends, right? So at first you're not doing any kind of sleight of hand move, you're just keeping a random card at first, okay? Not an ace, you're keeping a random card at first, then an ace, then a random, then an ace, then a random, ace, random, ace. So when you stack these cards like that, they're going to know that you have the cards stacked, and you're going to just show them that this is the easiest way of cheating. Okay, so that's the first part. And then after you separate these aces and the cards and the random cards, all you're going to do is you're again going to stack the cards, and you're going to build up the story just as I did in the performance. You're going to build up the story, and in this time you're not going to put the random card down first, you're going to put an ace down first. Then you're going to continue with the random, then an ace, then a random, ace, random, ace, random. So at this point, they're not going to just figure out that the top card is an ace. So if he or she deals like that, he or she is going to get all the aces. So they're not going to think about that. In this case, you need to actually demonstrate a little bit more, a little bit different. So you're going to say to your friend that you know that the cards are stacked. So at this point, so that I can't cheat, you can take all the 4 cards from the top, which will give you 2 aces and leave 2 aces with me, right? So as I separated these cards, I'm going to show you that I'm not messing up with the arrangement. There are each and every card and each and every aces in between each and every random card. And as you tell that, all you're doing is you're holding the cards just like that in the middle grip, and this is where you do the sleight of hand. So all you're doing is you're pulling down one card, and you're doing this face up, so that you're actually giving this as an excuse to show your spectators, to show them that between each and every random card there is a ace, right? But all you're doing this for is you need to bring the aces to one position, and that is to the bottom of the deck. So sorry, the bottom of the pack. So at this point, all I do is I hold these cards, I strip the top card by keeping these all cards faced up, then I go for the ace and I keep and break under the ace. Then when I go to take this next card, all I do is I come over here, I cover this entire ace up, and I actually take this I take this ace back with this pack of cards, okay? I take this ace back with this pack of cards, because it is, and that is easy to do because it is lifted with my pinky finger. So when I come over here, I take that ace and I slide the 9, just like that. So here we don't have the ace, we have the ace right over here. So next time we are going to do the same thing. We again pull an ace, and again we are going to keep it lifted up, and then again we are going to take the 5 and we are going to take the ace back over here. So again we are going to just pull down an ace, lift it up, I mean keep it lifted, not lift it up. You actually have to keep it lifted so that you can go do this thing in a smoother way. And then you come over here to take the 10 and you take that card back. So there are no aces over here, all the aces have come over here, and this should be the last ace. So you're not going to strip these cards over here, you have to just keep all these 4 cards as one right over here, and then turn this over. And as you do that, all the bottom cards will be the 4 aces. So in full speed it would look something like this. So when you're displaying in the second time, you're putting an ace down first, then a random, ace, random, ace, random, ace, random, right? And then all you're doing is you're holding the cards just like that. You're bringing one card, taking the ace back over here. So you have to be this fast, and this actually requires a little bit of practice so that you can do this movement smoothly. You can take back the ace smoothly back to this pack of cards, okay? So just like that. Sorry, you shouldn't have actually pulled. Actually, you need a practice like this. You have to say while you're actually stripping down each and every card, so that you don't mess up with your counting. So when you call out the 4th ace, you're actually going to keep it right over here. At this point I was not calling out, so I got messed up a little bit. So I again slipped this ace just like that, and the next ace appeared. Mind that this shouldn't happen with you. So I'm going to just show you in real time what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, okay? I have a random card and an ace, a random card and an ace, a random card and an ace, a random card and an ace. So when I call the ace the 4th time, in my mind, in my subconscious mind, I know that I have to keep all these 4 cards right over here, and that's how I bring all the aces to the bottom. And that is the time when the spectator is going to ask for the top 4 cards. They're going to take all the top 4 cards which doesn't have any of the aces, and I'm going to get all the bottom 4 cards with all the aces, and again I win without even letting them know that I have cheated them. So that's how I do this demonstration, and that's how I actually fool my friends quite a bit and freak them out. So based upon you can build up a story around this card trick. For me, the performance is exactly the same thing that I do in my life. When they criticize me that I can do card tricks but I can't play card games, I usually show them this, that why did I say so? It's show. So what? So what I do is I actually show them this trick and I fool them, and they're kind of like baffled and they don't like complain, why don't you play card tricks with us? So that's the first thing that can go same with everyone who doesn't know how to play card games. Or if there are people who knows how to play card games, there are types of people who are good at playing card games or bad at playing card games. So for them it goes the either way. Who are bad at playing card games, they're going to say that this is why I don't deal cards. The reason could be this is why I don't deal cards, because when I deal cards I actually win the game. And for ones who win the game every time, they can say the secret of the winning is in dealing, and that's how you can explain this trick to them, and you can actually fool your friends or spectators, whoever you are showing this to. You can fool them very much, building up a nice random story, spices up a little bit. And I know this is going to be like freaking out many of your friends, because literally this is not possible, but with science, with sleight of hand techniques, it is. So that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shwelazari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, Which Pretty Savage channel. I post entertaining videos and gameplays over there, and the link to the channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.